Hi guys, I'm makeup artist Namvo. I'm here with bareMinerals and I'm here with my gorgeous model Eloise. I'm gonna teach you how to do a festive party look. I'm starting off with this Gen Nude Copper Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna start with this color called Trippin. Trippin is almost like an olive green, but it has a gorgeous gold undertone to it. I'm gonna take the same color that I used on the lid, and now I'm gonna move it up into the crease with the blender brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this color called Bonfire, and it's almost like a rose gold copper. And I'm gonna layer this into the crease as well. And I wanna pack more of this copper color right in the center of the eyelid. Now I'm gonna use Bonfire again, and I'm going in with the Expert Shadow Brush, and I'm gonna drag it along the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to use the color Aura, and it's like a gold with a little bit of a pink undertone. I'm using the BARESKIN Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I'm going to kind of correct right here by slicing. Now I'm using the Lash Domination liquid eyeliner in black. I like to do small strokes rather than one long continuous line. This is much easier to control, and it just glides on the eye beautifully. Now I'm gonna do a coat of LASHTOPIA in black. This is a really great mascara because it's volumizing and it's a really nice like ink jet black. I'm using Original Foundation in Tan Nude, and I'm just gonna kind of mattify you in the areas that there's a little bit of oil coming through. Middle of forehead, center of nose, side of nose, center of chin. Now I'm using Endless Glow Highlighter in Fierce. It's a beautiful like champagne-y bronze color. I'm gonna start in the height of your cheekbone, kind of work my way up. Now I'm using the Gen Nude Pink Me Up blush. I'm gonna apply blush to the apple of your cheek, smile. I'm gonna start here and just kind of work my way up. And again, I'm using the same brush, which is the Blooming Blush Brush. So I'm using the Statement Under Over Lip Liner in the color On Point. So now I'm gonna use the Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the color Hype. It's a really beautiful, almost like a brick caramel color. Ta-da! I think you're ready for your festive holiday party now.